All right, let us quickly solve this Olympiad math problem. Okay, this one is very simple to solve. So the first thing we do is to square both sides. To square both sides, I'm going to have that x, the square root of the square root of x is equal to 3, the square root of 3, all squared. Okay, you can leave this and say all squared. So you know that square take care of square root. So I'm having that x, the square root of x, is equal to what? 9 in bracket of 3. Okay, the square of this is 9. Square root take care of square to have 3. So I'm having that x, the square root of x, is equal to what? 27, right? 27. So if I equally square both sides again, I'm going to have that x, the square root of x, okay, is equal to what? All squared is equal to 27 squared. So I'm having x squared in bracket of x is equal to what? This is 27 raised to power 2. So 27, that is 27 is 3 raised to power 3, then all squared. Okay, let me leave it like this. So this and this is going to give me x raised to power 3 according to indices. Okay, is equal to 3 raised to power. Okay, I can say 3 raised to power 2 all raised to power 3. Okay, so if 3 take care of 3, I'm having that my okay. So let's have it that x raised to power 3 is equal to 9 raised to power 3, right? Now, if 3 take care of 3, I'm having that x is 9, okay? But x equal to 9 is the only real solution to this and not all the solution. If you are asked to find the real solution alone, then we're having that x is equal to 9 is the only real solution. But if not, this is what you are going to do. You bring this side to have that x raised to power 3 minus 9 raised to power 3, okay, is equal to what? 0. Now, you can solve the using a polynomial, or you remember that the expansion of x raised to power 3 minus y raised to power 3 is the same thing as saying x minus y, okay, in bracket of x squared plus xy plus y squared, if you can remember. So now it means that x raised to power 3 means that x raised to power 3 minus 9 raised to power 3 is same thing as saying x minus 9, okay, into x squared plus 9x plus 81. Okay, that is 9 squared 81. So you see that, and is equal to what? 0. So see that the product of two things being equal to 0 shows that x minus 9 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 9. That's the first one. Or you say that x squared plus 9x plus 81 is equal to 0. Okay, so you can now solve this using quadratic formula that say that x is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over what? 2a. So x is now equal to what? Minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 9 squared minus 4 into 1 into 81. Okay, then all over 2 into 1. So I'm having minus 9 plus or minus the square root of 81 minus 4 times 81. I'm having 4 times 81. So I'm having 324 now divided by 2. Okay, so to finish it up now, you're going to have minus 81, 243. So let me clean here to finish it up. So I'm now having that that x is equal to what? Minus 9 plus or minus the square root of minus 243. Does it have roots? Does it have square roots? Okay, 3 root 9. So I'm going to have that, okay, all over 2. So I'm having that this is equal to minus 9 plus or minus uh, 3i root 9i root 3, 9i root 3. Okay, so breaking this down, let me show you. 243, 9 divide, I think, sorry, 3 divide, I think I'm having 81. Okay, 9 divide, I have 9, 9 divide, I have 1. So this is double, the 9 will be outside, while the 3 that is single will be inside. The I is because of square root of a negative. Square root of negative number is I, so divided by 2. So the answer is now x is equal to what? Minus 9 plus 9i root 3 over 2, or minus 9 minus 9i root 3 over 2. So then, and then we got 9. So these are the three solutions to this. So, and I told you that the only real solution is this. See that the rest of these two are complex solutions. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.